What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
U Superintendent of Police ka district uba Vivek Siem ula Maham le da ka bating persya kitu kiba pynphriang gi video bat kidur kiba pen ka metiap jong I heprit hanong lom nongra bat kyntu ru ba kidei ben weng no mardor. Ula ong balayo ba kidon ki brio shimet kumju ki YouTuber bat ki weipat ki bala thep bat pynphriang gi video bat kidur lingba ki rensan social media ba pher kiba pen ka metiap jong I heprit I balajar ngai na nongra nong lom haka step jong ka khat sau tarik nailur bat ba ka metiap jong I la lap din hne ka sngi khat san tarik hak ba ka jing to okit jong ki pulen kadang ya shakman kiba kum kini ki jingle kiba khlem da perkhat ki ta jori ki khot jong ka long yeng jong ini I heprit bat ya ka imlang sa lang hi baro ka wei bat ka ba pen bakam shamla dan ka jingburam ya ini lanot bat ki ba yeng hasem jong I.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.